Tierra's here with another review. It's Rashguard time. Let's go. Today we're reviewing the Sport Tek brand, great brand with a lot of options, and I found a great one. This is the Rashguard option for Sport Tek. This shirt is a dry fit shirt, 100% polyester performance shirt, which is great for MMA, to go to the beach, any occasion is great. As you can see, it is tight on the arms. You could, show off the biceps a little bit, like I love to do. The other thing is that the length of the arms are a little longer than usual, which that's all right. I like it, Now, you want to do a little printing on it. As you can see, looks great on the shirt. Any polyester shirt comes out great. I noticed that this shirt though, it's elastic. It has some elasticity in it, so it kind of stretches with you. So that's another great option. So it fits really good. It feels great. I love going to the gym with it, and I think it'll be a great option for your wardrobe. So the next one, thank you for tuning in. Comment down below. Hasta la vista, baby. Ha!